Welcome! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide a page post on the Facebook app using your PC. Even after the latest update, whether you're looking to clean up your timeline or simply want to hide content you'd rather not see, this guide will walk you through every step in a clear and simple way. To get started, first, open the Facebook app on your PC. You can do this by heading to your desktop and double-clicking the Facebook app icon, or by searching for it through your Start menu. Once the app is up and running, sign in with your account details if you haven't already, and you'll land on your main feed. Next, scroll through your feed to find the post from the page that you want to hide. This can be any post that shows up on your timeline from a page you follow, whether it's a business, a celebrity, or a news outlet. Once you've located the post, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the post. These three dots represent more options. Go ahead and click on them. A small menu will appear, giving you several choices related to interacting with the post. Now, from the menu that pops up, select the option labeled Hide Post. By choosing this, you're telling Facebook you no longer wish to see this specific post on your feed. The post will immediately disappear from your timeline, giving you a more tailored Facebook experience. And that's all it takes. You've successfully hidden a page post on the Facebook app using your PC. With just a few quick clicks, you can keep your feed focused on the content you enjoy most. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Have any questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.